In this video, we are going to dive into the OBSBOT Tail Air, and I'm going to show you exactly how to turn this incredible PTZ camera into a professional wireless roving camera for your videos and live stream. But before we go into this setup, let's quickly see what comes in the box and what this powerful little camera can do. In the box, you'll be getting the user manual and the OBSBOT Tail Air itself. Also, you have the protective case, and in the protective case, it comes with Type-C to Type-C cable, dual Type-C adapter, and Type-C to USB adapter. Now let's talk about what makes this camera special. It has 1.8-inch CMOS sensor that delivers stunning 4K at 30 frames per second and super smooth 1080p at 60 frames per second for high quality images. It's paired with a premium 8-element prime lens and a wide f1.8 aperture. On the body, you have great selection of ports, a 3.5 jack for an external mic, a micro SD card slot for recording, a micro HDMI output for clean feed, and USB-C for power and data. Also, you have the power button. This camera comes with a built-in battery that can last up to 2 hours, and you can connect it to external power while recording, or you can use power bank. The 2-axis gimbal keeps your shot smooth with a zoom range of 4x digital zoom, and you get full manual control over the ISO, shutter speed, white balance right from the OBSBOT Start app on your smartphone. Check the description for more details. And we can't forget its powerhouse features, which includes AI auto tracker that locks onto and follows you seamlessly, NDI support for advanced streaming workflows, and so much more. I'm going to be sharing more of these camera features on this channel, so do not forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel and turn on your notification bell so you can get updates whenever I post new videos about this camera. I'm also excited to announce that I am now an official brand ambassador for OBSBOT. You can use my promo code USAS to get exclusive discount, or you can click the link in the description and on the pinned comment to purchase. Now let's build our ultimate roving camera setup. For this setup, I'm going to be using a smartphone cage with 3 cold shoe mounts, 2 hot shoe adapters, micro HDMI adapter. I'm going to be using wireless transmitter, 2 Type-C cable, one for the tail air camera and the second one for the wireless transmitter, and power bank to power the wireless transmitter and also to charge the tail air camera. And with the phone cage, I'm going to be using this mini tripod stand. Lastly, I have my smartphone. You can use it to control the camera gimbal and control the features on the app. I'm going to connect the mini tripod stand to the phone cage. Next, I'm going to mount the tail air camera. Next, I'm going to mount the wireless transmitter. I'm going to connect the HDMI cable and power it up with the power bank. And as you can see, we are almost done with the setup. Before I mount the phone to the phone cage, I'm going to head over to the OBSBOT Start app. So I've already installed it. I'm just going to click on open. Make sure you create an account so you can be able to access the camera. And immediately you sign in, this is how it looks like. And this is the camera over here. I'm just going to click on live streaming through Wi-Fi. And also turn on your Bluetooth, location, and Wi-Fi. So I'm just going to click on my Wi-Fi over here, enter the password, and connect to the camera. And as you can see, we have successfully connected to the camera. Below, this is where you can be able to control the camera. Just click on this over here and you will be able to control the gimbal of the camera. You also have the zoom in and zoom out control over here. Also, this is where you can be able to adjust the speed of the control. If you want to make it fast or slow, this is where you can be able to adjust the speed. And also, you have the record button. You can be able to record while using the camera. And there are other features under here, such as the AI features, which I'm going to be talking about soon on this channel. Next, click on this icon over here. It was on manual before and I switched to auto. If you want to switch to manual, just click on the auto icon over here and you'll be able to switch to manual. Now, this is where you can be able to adjust the ISO. So I'm just going to reduce the ISO to like 400. so you can adjust the ISO according to your environment. Next, you have the shutter speed control. This tray can be able to adjust the shutter speed. Below, you have the autofocus. You can be able to use autofocus or manual focus. So you also have the option to turn on the grid over here, and also you have the option to turn on HDR mode. The HDR mode is very good, especially in low light conditions. Click on the style, and on the style you have the option to choose weather standard, outdoor, and other settings, and you can decide to choose custom. On the custom, you can adjust the sharpness, contrast, saturation, brightness, etc. So I'm just going to leave it on standard. Next, you have the white balance settings. Click on the white balance over here, and you can adjust the temperature according to your environment. And if you want to go back to the gimbal control, click on the cancel button. Next, this is where you can be able to see all the videos you have recorded in the SD card. Below, you have more options to see the settings of the camera, such as the preset mode, AI, audio mode, camera settings, and other powerful settings. On the output mode, you have different settings such as the UVC mode, NDI, RSTP mode, and other powerful settings here. On the general, you have the tail settings over here, which you can be able to adjust the settings here, and also you can click on about device and check if there is firmware update. And I'm going to mount my phone to the phone cage, and as you can see, it is very light and easy to carry. You can control the camera easily from the app. And this is how you can turn the tail camera into a powerful roving camera. The links to purchase all the accessories used in this video are in the description. Click the link below to purchase. And I've used this roving camera setup in a mega conference, and the performance was really great, as you can see in these videos. If you found this video helpful, do not forget to hit the like button, comment, share, and subscribe to my YouTube channel. And if you have any question, drop it down in the comment section below. My name is Ebenezer from USA Studio. See you in my next video.